Look at that dust on that. Still shiny though. This is going to be the long form video for the week because there's no tent there anymore. Tent's over there. I'll show you why. Let's go for a little walk. Got junk everywhere because I'm moving stuff around. Gotta get onto those soon too. In here, I had heaps of stuff. There was like a really narrow walkway around the corner there. And then there was a wall here. The wall's now gone. Let's zoom in a little. No wall there. Zoom back in. Zoom out. Let's keep it wide angle. So this, my Holden Commodore used to live in here. You can see a mark on the floor there from it. It was sat there for about 4 years, I'd say. Didn't move. Poor old girl. Sitting out there and where my ute normally goes. But this space, this is a very narrow double garage. I can't tell you the specs on it, but it's bigger than the tent. Now, looking at the floor. It's still a work in progress. I got some new lights I got to get put up to replace the dull fluoros up there. I'm going to move a lot of that stuff. So this is going to be my new fiberglass workshop. I still got to figure out where everything's going to go. I think I'm going to have to compress it there and that hose reel up on the wall. Might have my fiberglass cutting table there with the rolls of glass, and then behind there be my resin table where I keep my resin and gel coats and all sorts of stuff. Not sure if I'm going to keep that shelving unit. I want a big bench in the middle on wheels so I can work on that, as well as lots of floor space so I can move that out of the way and get a couple of molds in here at one time and then fiberglass them, as well as make molds and all sorts of stuff. But yeah, it's been a lot of work. Some kids' toys down there. Anyone want a ball pit? One in there. Anyway, so that's what I've been doing. Been clearing this place out very slowly. It's school holidays at the moment, so I don't get my usual 5 or 6 hours a day. Got a new shelf here. Slowly filling it up. Pardon me. I've just been going through things, you know, throwing stuff out. I've got a massive trailer load full of rubbish. Got a future project. I'm not going to look at that. So a lot of work to do. I've got a lot of work to do on that. I've got these guys to do. Got a new printer. This guy here. This is my old printer. Little tiny bed on it. Fits my hand. This one's much bigger. It's not that much bigger, but it's big enough for what I want it for, which is also future videos. So I got to move all this stuff, my fiberglassing stuff, all this into the other shed in there, which I've been wanting to do for ages. Like, originally my plan was to have that shed as fabrication, so I'd have my lathe in there, the mill, my welding table, welder and grinding, and keep all the mess in there and have this as a clean space. But that didn't happen. I've been making lots of parts for a job. They're in the middle of these wheels. None of it's been trimmed up yet, but it's going to be like that. That's pretty cool. And these will look cool on the pedal car over here, but I can't get to the wheels because I got some masonite in the way. But anyway, that sticking out of the wheel looked cool. So I've been making heaps of stuff. I'm going to make 8 of these, 8 of those. I've made all 4 of those. Grills. A couple more of those. And then I've got to make another 21 of these guys. These are interesting. So imagine this as a seat. You got one leg here and one leg here. Then you got a rail going across to keep you in. This stops you from sliding onto the rail. It's for a kids amusement park ride. So there's no high speed or anything like that, but yeah. And these are the molds for the wheels. That keeps a kid in safely. So take a mold of that guy. There's one of those things in here. So this is the mold. So I put fiberglass in here, and then I put one of these blocks of wood, just like that, and then I fiberglass it in. That's what you get. I'm not going to take that out of there. It's been in there for a couple of days, it's fine. But yeah, these things come out pretty easy. Just put a little pressure there, bit of pressure there. There we go. Another bullet shape for the wheel. And then this one might take a bit more effort, but that can stay in there. Just like this grill, can stay in there for now. I just gotta fix that one a little bit. And that one's good. So yeah, moving stuff around, cleaning up, you know, all this stuff down here, old car parts and stuff from the other shed. My big compressor, it doesn't look very big, but it's a 3 horsepower, 15 amp, 3 cylinder. It's got a small tank on it, but that thing produces a ton of air quickly compared to the little baby one over in the corner next to the lathe. That's the one that's going to go in that shed, so I need air in there. I'm going to eventually set that one up in the back corner because there's a 15 amp plug up there. Got some cool stuff here again for a future project. I guess you can guess what these are going to go on. The electric motors that drive them. Someone say a 55 Chevy. Oh yeah. There's a box full of brand new wiring and motors and stuff. My poor old mold. I got to make a couple of bodies really soon, so I got to get my finger out and finish that space in there. Poor old mini rod, covered in dust. Stuff everywhere. Stuff everywhere. Little 55. Yeah. So that's what's been happening in Croc Rod's land. Got my inventory over there for spare parts. All for free. Yeah. That's going to do it for this walk around, talk around video. Thanks for watching. If I don't have another video out next week, then I'll still be doing this, moving stuff around, because with the kids at home, I don't get a whole lot of time to work. So that being said, I better do some work while I can. Can't see that clock up there, the sun's on it. There we go. 7:10 p.m. And it is Friday the 3rd, I believe, of January. So happy New Year's to everyone. This video will come out tomorrow, the 4th, Saturday. So if you're watching this far, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, the like button. Don't have to hit the notification. Videos come out at the same time every week. And I'm rambling. Don't know why. Just hit the end record button, but I'm spinning around in my chair. Whee! Ciao.